Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about affordable skincare, and this is part 1. And I'm not a skincare professional or anything like that, but these are just my opinions on some skincare products that I've tried out recently. So if you've been wondering about some of these products, then you came to the right place. The first product I want to talk about is the The first product I want to talk about is the Morning Facial Moisturizing Lotion with Sunscreen for normal to dry skin, and this is by the Target brand, Up and Up, and this cost about $10, and I had been on the hunt for a morning, like daytime moisturizer that also had SPF in it because I didn't want to use two separate products, but I also wanted something that wouldn't leave like that gray or white overcast after you add it, and this does both of those, and I really love that. I wear it every day whether or not I'm wearing makeup, and it does wear very well under makeup. So I would definitely recommend this for those with normal and dry skin. I don't know about oily skin, but I'm sure this would actually probably work pretty well for you as well. The next product I want to talk about is this Burt Bees Cleansing Oil, and I love this stuff. This is what I use to take my makeup off every single night, and I was a little bit hesitant to buy it at first because it was about $14 at Walmart, but it has lasted me about 2 months, and I'm still not done with my first bottle. Now, I will be repurchasing it sometime in the future, but I did want to go ahead and try the Neutrogena cleansing oil because it is a little bit cheaper, so I will get back to you on how I feel about that product. But this Burt's Bees cleansing oil is great because it melts down all kinds of makeup, waterproof and not waterproof, and I don't have to use a towel to wipe it off. I usually will just take the oil in my hands and rub it on my face until the makeup is dissolved, and then just use water to rinse it off, and then follow it up with a regular cleanser. And speaking of cleansers, I want to move on to the Trader Joe's brand all-in-one facial cleanser, and this is my everyday cleanser. I use this at night because I only cleanse my skin once a day, and this is great because it definitely gets rid of all the makeup that's left behind from my oil cleanse, but it also is gentle enough that it doesn't dry out the skin at all. I highly recommend this. This will only cost you $6 if you happen to be near a Trader Joe's, and it lasts me about a month and a half. Now, something I did find extremely interesting about this cleanser is that it says it's tearless, and the next product I want to talk about is also a facial cleanser from Trader Joe's, and it's the face wash with tea tree oil. And I actually originally tried this first, and as a cleanser, it's okay. It can be a little drying, but oh my gosh, when you get this in your eyes,
it hurts, okay?
So honestly, I would just stay away from this as far as using it on your face. At this point, the only way I know how to use it is to squirt a little bit into the solution I use to clean my makeup brushes, because I just think that it's way too harsh to use on my face, and just the way that it stings my eyes, I can't risk that again. The next cleanser I want to talk about is the Olay Gentle Clean Foaming Facial, and I don't have that bottle because I used it up and didn't repurchase it. It's actually a pretty good cleanser. I don't have any complaints about the actual product itself, but the one thing that annoys me is the pump itself, and I know that that's a small thing, but you know, I know that it'll matter to some people. It's just that if you want to pump it twice, you have to wait a while before the pump like slowly creeps back up to where you can pump out more again, if that makes sense. Most of the time I only use one pump of cleanser, especially if it's a cleanser like the Trader Joe's all-in-one facial cleanser that I've been using. But that Olay cleanser, it dispenses enough that if you're not wearing much makeup, it'll be fine. But if you're wearing a lot and you want 2 pumps, it's annoying to have to wait for 2 pumps, if you know what I mean. But like I said, the cleanser itself is great, and it's under $6 or even $5 if you find it at Walmart. And if the pump thing doesn't bother you, then I would say definitely get it. The Revolution Skincare 5% lactic acid and hyaluronic acid is a mild chemical exfoliator, and I only use this about 2 to 3 times a week just because my skin can be a little sensitive at times, so I definitely don't want to be overusing something like an exfoliator. I've recently started to use chemical exfoliators instead of physical exfoliators, and I personally think that it's done very well for my skin. I like this one because it leaves my skin feeling very soft, especially because I will usually use it at night, and the next morning my skin is feeling baby soft. And that concludes part 1 of my affordable skincare video. I will go ahead and link everything down below, so in case you're interested in any products, you can check out some more information. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, which will be up very soon. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye!